Okay, so you guys in the Euro Yen, again, when we took our entry, we called this trade out earlier. We put it all in our social media pages and blogs. We're going to enter Euro Yen at 125.85, 125.90. Now that we have Euro Yen at 125, or basically our 15-minute target, which is at 125.25, it barely brushed it there. It hit 28. But most of you guys that were in this trade, you got in around 85, 90. Way to go, Maria, Mr. Jacobo. Yeah, way to go for you guys. Admin, you guys in your room in South America, way to go. And again, we now have our second option now for traders is to move your stop loss to 125.50 and seek that 15-minute target. And now you're basically you're giving the market some cushion here right after we already went through the close of the euro market. It is about noon here. Now you have a cushion here of about 25 points to see if this euro yen breaks 125.25. Very nice trade. On the pound dollar, guys, we did take an entry right around the 157.25 area, and we made about quick 7 points. And we did say that, for some of you guys, you should hold on to the pound dollar until it hits 157.80 with your stop at break even. Okay, so you're on your way there. Look for pound dollar to hit 157.80. Okay, look for pound dollar to hit 157.80. That'll complete this trade. I would say for all the guys here in our room and in our communities, for you guys in the Ukraine, you guys in India, you guys in South America, I would say I would close the trade out at 157.80 for pound dollar, but pound dollar will need to break 157.50. Would probably happen right after lunch for here U.S. time. Right now, again, it is noon, but you're gonna probably see pound dollar hit 157.80. Again, you guys that got in at 157.25, look for that. Look for a pierce of 157.50, and then you'll probably, as pound dollar likes to do, it has its little moments where it has its little energetic bursts. I guess you can call it when pound dollar drinks its Red Bull or its energy drink, right? I know some of you guys drink Red Bulls so you can stay awake 24 hours, so your eyes are velcro to the monitor. I'm not promoting that at all, but I'm just saying that I know some of you guys are really stuck to the monitors, which is cool, but you got to take a break sometimes. Again, that's something I cover in our seminars, which we're starting one um, on Wednesday. But going back to the pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar has its moments where it drinks its Red Bull, it drinks its energy drink, and it goes for those little spurts. And normally it goes for about a 30-minute spurt or a blast, I call it, and it'll probably go to about 70 or 80. I would say let's put a limit at around 70 or 80, and most likely if it goes through that blast, if you're fortunate enough, you'll grab that limit, and probably by the end of the day, um, we'll catch that move. But right now, pound dollar needs to break 50, and it's been fighting 50 now, 157.50 for some time. Um, so way to go for you guys in that trade. On our dollar yen, again, we did enter around 92.65ish, and we did see a test of 54. We want to see basically a test of 92. I have my stop in place, and I will prefer the next candlestick, which is, again, we're in a 1 hour chart. We're going to go for a Bollinger Band ride here, what we call a Bollinger Band ride, and we're going to look to seek that pivot level at 92 for dollar yen. And this is one of our strategies that we like to cover, which I'll show you guys starting in our seminar on Wednesday. I'm also available on Skype, and we're going to go also in our for our one-on-one and our question and answer session in a moment. But the dollar yen right now, I'm probably about positive one, positive two. I was at one point positive five, but we got our stop at 70. We're seeking 92. We're going for what's called a Bollinger Band ride. Right? Anybody ever been on a roller coaster? I know some of you guys, big manly, 6 foot three, scared of roller coasters. But we're positive on this dollar yen now. I'm expecting a Bollinger Band ride, and again, we're following procedure here. We're following our plan. And by the way, there goes Euro Yen, guys, testing the our target of 125.25. Let's quickly go to 125.25. There it is. This is what we were waiting for. So again, you guys that are in that Euro Yen trade, you can do option two now. Move your stop loss to 50 and seek a break of 125.25, which is looks like it's going to happen now. And absolutely. But I mean, we can probably see now here what I was showing you on our daily chart. You guys remember, we're gonna probably possibly see a test of 122. I'm sorry, 121.80. Okay, keep in mind this fan here was started back on the end of July of last year. We all know why. Super Mario, right? Everybody know who Super Mario is, and no, I'm not talking about the Nintendo game console character. I'm talking about the European Central Bank president, right? We all should have this added on the 25th of July. We're using that as a guide. We're gonna probably see this Euro Yen if it does continue to retrace from this all-important resistance level at 126.90, which did test on Friday. You're gonna probably see 121.80. That's correct, 121.80. So that'll be your basically your ultimate target from our entries of 125.90. Yeah, so you'll probably see that's a good little run. I mean, what can I say? I mean, that's a nice run. If it does go down to that level, hey, fantastic. But nevertheless, you should never forget you already made a good 35, 40 points already on this trade. If anything, now that it's at 20, there it is. It's breaking 25. If you even decide to close it now from our entries of 90, you have about 70 points, or let's say 65 or 60 points. That's good enough, you know. That's good enough. Just gotta remember, there is a limit. Okay, it's like when you buy your first gold coin, you're all ecstatic, happy, but eventually, it just becomes okay. It's just another gold coin. So same thing. You should treat this type of trade. Okay, the important thing here is you learn the proper follow through and applying your trade plan. So let's go to the question and answer session now. Way to go, you guys. Maria, you made 80 points today. Jacobo, 110 points. Let's see where dollar yen is at. Dollar yen is ready to break, guys, and I'm ready to collect about 10 points on dollar yen. But you guys over there, average trader made today about, what is it? Not what is it, admin? About 90? 95. Okay, well, fantastic. So let's go now to our question and answer session. And way to go, guys. Round of applause.